Hello, I hope you're doing amazing. In today's video, I will demonstrate how to easily modify the time and date of an event on the calendar. There are two ways of changing the date info of an event. You can go to the job record and have it changed from there, but if you are looking for a more visual solution, you can go directly to the calendar. In the main dashboard, click on Planner tab and then on Calendar. You can choose between two options to change the date and time. The first one, we'll call it drag and drop. With this option, you can take the event with your pointer and drag and drop it wherever you want, even if you are visualizing the calendar by day or by week. Look, we take it and we can change it of day or hour. And if you're only looking to extend the time span of the event, just grab the bottom part of the event spot and drag it like this. The second option is to click on the event. Select the option Edit Event and change the date settings. We'll change it for tomorrow from 9 to 10 and then save changes. About the default view of the calendar, it is preset to show at 6 a.m. to 5 p.m. view, but you can modify it to your own needs by clicking on the little clock icon at the top left. It allows you to include all 24 hours. Go, and here we have it from 12 a.m. to 12 p.m. Remember that whether you are on the resources calendar or dispatch calendar view, you can modify the time and date of the events basically the same way on either calendar view. Well, that will be all for today. Thank you for watching and don't forget to give us a like if you find this content of use. Bye bye!